One of the oldest cities of India, yet offers new experiences every time. This is Rishikesh. Welcome back to my channel. This time I am backpacking or rather traveling to Rishikesh. I am in Rishikesh right now, and this time I have a companion with me. Hi Kalyani. Are you excited for this extreme adventure trip? So yes, right now it's 5:15 in the morning. We just got off a shared auto where I guess 10 or 12 people were sitting. Somehow we sat and now we are headed to Lakshman Jhula because the hostel is on the other end of the river. So just like that, our hopes have drowned in the river as the boat is gonna come at 10 o'clock. And if it's just there, it's just there. Finally we made it to Ram Jhula. We're crossing the river. We don't have to swim to the shores. After crossing, we took a much deserved break by the river just to soak in how beautiful this morning was. Welcome back to day one. In a morning hustle to reach our hostel, we totally forgot to vlog. But then we finally did make it, and then we went to Little Buddha Cafe, which had really amazing views and mid-okayish breakfast. And right now we're at the Beatles Cafe, which is near Lakshman Jhula. And Kalyani, how was the first day? You're still processing the day? Okay. Yes, we thought we slept for half of the day, but it seems we did a lot of things. We met many interesting people, and yes, yeah, we're looking forward tomorrow for the bungee jump. Not dreading the moment, but a bit scared. Not scared, but let's see. So yes, that's it for day one. Good morning from Rishikesh. Right now we are in a very nervous state. We're headed to jumping heights for our bungee jump. And maybe since the morning we're feeling as if we're part of the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And yes, it's around 8:39 and we don't care about the time. We just scared of the moment which leads us to the jumping pad. So Kalyani, how do you feel?
I feel nothing.
What would be your last words? So yeah, I'm figuring out my words, but similar on her lines. So let's see if we make it or not. So now the moment is here, Kalyani. She's just lost. That was our jump. We just got back to the parking, and it has been a very exhilarating jump. We are actually short of words. So Kalyani, how was it?
I don't remember anything.
But would you do it again?
Yes, definitely.
See, well, it's like the jump which happened that time. We were scared like that moment before jumping, and then the first coil, that was the worst. But after that, I was actually screaming that I'm flying like a bird or something like that. But the best part was both of us were just smiling. So we were laughing, everything. It was an experience. You have to do it, even if you're scared of heights. You should do it. And yes, that's it. I think it's 2 o'clock. We're famished. We need to have a celebratory lunch. So yes, this was adventure 1 from Rishikesh. And of course, we had to have Maggie. Oldest restaurants in Rishikesh, and this being the main attraction over there. Good morning from day 3. Right now, as you can see, we are all set for rafting, and we are super tired from yesterday, but we are looking forward for this raft. And today we have Purva with us. Hi Purva. Out of all the 16 kilometers of rafting that was shot, this part remains close to our heart as this presented hilarious moments, as you can see ahead.
Okay, get back guys, get back! No, get back! अरे बैठो यार आप बाहर बैठो बैठो आराम से रिलैक्स हो गए मैम आराम से उठो गाइस बाजी ले भैया.
We had to react on this video, and we did so while sitting in Om Cafe besides the river. This is us hanging out at Parmarth Ghat, hoping that we could see the Aarti, but I think that's just a dream we had. But yes, this is the last evening in Rishikesh. So we have a bittersweet emotion to that. We don't want to leave Rishikesh. Like, who would want to leave this view? Just look at it, how peaceful that is. And it has not just been a peaceful journey. We've had our ups and downs. We've had our extreme adventures, to be clear. And I don't know, it's been a fun journey. One which we don't want to end. But yeah, maybe we'll be back. Not maybe, we'll be back, sure. So how was it, Kalyani? All in all, Rishikesh was one extreme adventure. Be it the people that we met or the adventures that we did. And I'm so happy that I could share this with my childhood friend, my adventure buddy, Kalyani.